going to show you how to say hi in a Nuer language. Sorry. Okay, how to say hi in Nuer language. First thing, if you say hi, it is the same as hi. Okay, all right, let's go to a phrase, simple phrase. Let's start by saying how are you. Are you in question form? Sorry. And then in where we say it male, you also put the question mark. How are you? You say male. Okay, the answer should look like this. Okay, let me simply put like that. Answer in English, well, that is fine, or simply say I am fine. Okay, in Nuer we say mal migwa, mal le migwa, male migwa, or simply you can even say it again. Well, this is just optional. You can say mal migwa. Okay, these two things you can still use them. You either say mal migwa or mal migwa, right? So this is the thing that I would like you to learn for now. Okay, let's move ahead with others, some of the basics that you might like to learn as well. Well, let's start by saying good morning, right? Okay, good afternoon, right? And then good night. Okay, well, when you say good morning, in where we say male ke runwang, right? Male ke runwang, that is how we say it, male ke runwang. And the answer is like male ke runwang. There's no change. The same thing, the way you say good morning, you can even say good morning, something like that. Okay, when you say good afternoon, you can say it's male ke sheng der, right? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You can say male ke sheng der. Male ke sheng der. When you want to say good night, all right, in where we say it ni ke mal, right? Ni kamal, just simple as that. Okay, I believe this thing can help you to get along with your Nuer friends. Okay, please check back for more, and do not forget to comment, give a like if you want, or dislike it. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you got this information. Thank you for watching and for your time. God bless you. Bikot jipot, in where we say like that. God bless you. We say bikot jipot. Bikot jipot. Bye.